Improve your English. One quiz at a time.
Hello 7th graders. Today, we're going to read a short and thoughtful story together, and then answer questions to improve reading comprehension skills. Are you ready?
The empty desk. It was the start of a new school year, and Taylor had just moved to a new town. On the first day, Taylor walked into the classroom and looked around, nervously. Everyone else already seemed to know each other and was chatting happily. When the teacher asked if anyone would share their notes with Taylor, most students stayed quiet. Only one boy, named Jordan, raised his hand and said, "I'll help." At first, Taylor didn't think much of it. But over the next few weeks, Jordan kept being kind, sharing pencils, explaining homework, and even inviting Taylor to sit with him at lunch. Slowly, Taylor began to feel like part of the class. One day, Taylor noticed that other students were starting to include newcomers too. They offered seats, shared supplies, and greeted new classmates warmly. Taylor realized something important. Kindness is contagious. When one person chooses to be kind, it often inspires others to do the same. And sometimes all someone needs is one friend to make them feel welcome. Now, let's answer the questions. Relax and do your best.
Question 1. Why did Taylor feel nervous on the first day of school? Because he had just moved to a new town and didn't know anyone. Question 2. Who offered to help Taylor with notes? Jordan. He offered to help Taylor with notes. Question 3. What are 2 ways Jordan showed kindness to Taylor? He shared pencils and invited Taylor to sit with him at lunch. Question 4. What change did Taylor notice in the class over time? He noticed that other students were also starting to include newcomers and be more welcoming. Question 5. What life lesson did Taylor learn from Jordan's actions? Taylor learned that kindness is contagious. When one person is kind, it can inspire others to be kind too.
Great job! Share your score in the comments. Want more engaging English quizzes? Subscribe, new ones every week.